The truth is that as the struggle for survival has subsided, the real questions of the life have started to emerge. Survival for what? Now people have means to live, but no meaning to live for. It's hard to imagine a life without a faith, and I would like to offer my humble perspective on the significance of such an important initiative as faith in leadership. To me, the need of a quality leadership that is driven by the faithful values, where the faith is in the center, has never been as strong as it has been in recent times. I worked as a psychiatrist, and we evaluate the global well-being on the parameters of collective consciousness level. And even if you are not a psychologist and never had a formal training in the psychology, if you look at the people, what you would see emerging is chaos, conflict, fear of escalating tensions between nations, societies, communities, ideologies, religion, faith, fear of an apocalyptic end to the mankind, either from a drastically shifted climate or from an angry asteroid. I don't know. There could be endless reasons for people to be afraid of. But what we as faith leaders are most afraid of are people losing faith in themselves, faith in humanity. Because no matter where you go and to whom you ask, I think the simple questions of the life are proving to be most difficult to answer. Are we really happy? Are we genuinely satisfied? Do we really trust each other, or we pretend to be? Do we really feel safe walking on the streets? Do we really have the lives as we pretend over the Facebook? Maybe true for some people, but I don't know. For most, it's not there. And it's not there because for long, we have been dreaming a dream from which we are just waking up. The dream that if we just improve the means of the people, then everyone would be happy. That you give the people money, power, position, and everyone would be miraculously happy. The truth is that as the struggle for survival has subsided, the real questions of the life have started to emerge. Survival for what? Now people have means to live, but no meaning to live for. And to have meaning in the life, we need faith. To have direction in the life, we need leadership. And without a meaning and direction, there could be no life.